Hi, Kris.
Hi Ben, hey, nice to meet you again.
Good to see you again. So, Kris, tell me about what your experience has been so far at IDS this year.
Yeah, well, it's great. There's been lots of people. It's definitely a much more crowded edition than last time. And it's glad to see that our customers are happy, our partners are happy, and we're making good progress with our mission to automate manufacturing. And yeah, good to be at this point.
I mean, automating manufacturing in digital dentistry. What are you highlighting at your stand this time?
Well, we're focusing exactly as you say on the automation, our mission to automate all the digital production techniques that are used in a lab, like the 3D printing, but also the CNC work, and making that a lot more less dependent on manpower, so that the technicians can focus on what they're good at, being experts to approve the work instead of clicking a whole day long on the computer, so that they can do more meaningful things thanks to the automation brought by Oqton.
Yeah, I love the mission there, and I'm looking forward to see the impact in digital dentistry. How does the partnership with ModuleWorks impact that?
Yeah, it's very important because it helps us to reach that level of automation at an expert level for the CNC part we're doing. So it's really an important background component that makes the automation for CNC work.
Yeah, thank you very much. Have a great remainder to the show.
Thank you, Ben.